Hello, good day viewers. As you all know, I like solving Olympiad Mathematics questions, and here is another one. This is an Indian Olympiad Mathematics question. We're given that if x to the power of 3 plus y to the power of 3 is equal to 3xyz plus 8, and also x plus y plus z is equal to 0, we're asked to evaluate xz plus yz. Okay, I want us to start from the first two equations, simplify it to the best we can just to obtain xy plus yz. Let's get started. First of all, let me tag this as equation 1 and tag this as equation 2. So from equation 1, we can simplify x to the power of 3 plus y to the power of 3, then plug it back into that first equation. So before we even substitute, let us drive it. You know, if you have x plus y to the power of 3, this is equal to x to the power of 3 plus y to the power of 3 plus 3xy multiplied by x plus y. This is the expansion of x plus y to the power of 3. But in our first equation, we have x to the power of 3 plus y to the power of 3. So we can make it the subject from here. Therefore, x to the power of 3 plus y to the power of 3 is equal to x plus y to the power of 3 minus 3xy multiplied by x plus y. So instead, we can substitute the whole of this in equation 1. Okay? Therefore, instead of the first term, which is x to the power of 3 plus y to the power of 3, we can replace it with x plus y to the power of 3 minus 3xy multiplied by x plus y. So to the left-hand side of our equation, it becomes x plus y to the power of 3 minus 3xy multiplied by x plus y. All right? That is the first term. And to the right-hand side, we still have, what is that? 3xyz plus 8. 3xyz plus 8. Can I call this equation 3? Yep. Then let us move on to equation number 2. From equation number 2, we have seen that x plus y plus z is equal to 0. And since in our third equation, we have x plus y, so we can make it the subject from here. We have x plus y plus z equal to 0. Therefore, x plus y is equal to negative z. And we can call this equation number 4. And we are going to substitute it into equation number 3. So instead, we're going to have a negative z here, also negative z here. So let's expand. So to the left-hand side, we have negative z to the power of 3. So we have negative z to the power of 3 minus 3xy multiplied by negative z, because x plus y is negative z. And to the right-hand side, we have 3xyz plus 8. From here, we can multiply these two together. Minus minus is plus. So we have 3xy times z, which is 3xyz, right? So we have negative z to the power of 3 plus 3xyz. And to the right-hand side, we have 3xyz plus 8. You can see that these are exactly the same, so they will cancel. It's just by subtracting 3xyz to both sides. What do we have left? We have negative z to the power of 3 is equal to 8. Take the cube root of both sides. We have negative z equal to, the cube root of 8 is 2, right? And if you multiply both sides by negative 1 or divide both sides by negative 1, finally z will be equal to negative 2. But from this equation, which is equation number 4, we can find the value of x plus y since it is equal to negative z. So from equation 4, x plus y is equal to negative z. Therefore, x plus y will be equal to negative, the value of z is negative 2. If you expand this, you have x plus y is equal to positive 2. And we are almost done. Now, what are we looking for? Remember, we are looking for xz plus yz, right? Xz plus yz. So to find xz plus yz, since both times have z in common, so we can bring z out. We have z multiplied by x plus y, right? But remember that z is negative 2, which is this, and also x plus y is positive 2. So this is the same thing as saying negative 2, right? Then multiplied by positive 2. Negative 2 multiplied by positive 2 is equal to negative 4. What does this mean? It means that xz plus yz is nothing but negative 4, and this is exactly what we are looking for. And this is all I have for you today. Thank you for watching. Do share to your learning colleagues, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more exciting videos. Bye bye.